Steve here with the 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗙, the channel where we help cleaning business owners scale their businesses with systems, controls, tools, and resources. Use testimonials wisely. You know, there's nothing better than having a good testimonial from your clients. It can do a lot of things for you. You know, first of all, it's a very, very powerful marketing tool, and you want to take full advantage of it. So try to remember to capture as many testimonials as you can. And let me tell you this, the best is a video testimonial. That's number one. An audio testimonial would be good, and then a written testimonial. You know, the thing is that you see a lot of written testimonials, and sometimes you just look at them and you kind of question them. Well, the audio and certainly the video testimonial eliminates all that. So whenever possible, do that. And if you do use a written testimonial, the thing to do is to give the person's full name and the company that they're with. You know, that adds credibility to it. So just keep that in mind. But you know, the thing is that it has the power to achieve a lot of different things for your marketing. And you know, the thing that you have to do is you have to remember what you're trying to accomplish with the testimonial. So in some cases, you know, you may become overcoming a buyer's skepticism. You know, so maybe they're doubting your credibility. Well, by using a testimonial, that eliminates that. You have to remember that you can talk about yourself all day long, but when you have another person talk about you all day long, that really adds a lot of credibility and is very powerful. So that's why we want to use testimonials. So the other thing you can do is you can use testimonials for overcoming objections. Again, you know, it's because that prospect they're skeptical, you know, about maybe the claims that you're making or situations like that. So again, you got the third party, a client that you've done work for, telling them how great you are, how easy you are to work with. So that's fantastic. Another reason why you may use a testimonial is maybe you want to make a point. You know, the thing is that your client's personal experience can really persuade a prospect. So that's where that can really come in powerful. You know, when you want to make it use it to make a point. Something else too is that it also targets anxieties or doubts. You know, because sometimes, again, the skepticism comes in, and in some cases, people may have some hidden doubts. You know, so what you do is that you go ahead and you use these testimonials to overcome them. It is a great strategy. Like I say, the key there is whenever you can get testimonials, they're just like reviews. You want to have a lot of good reviews, and the more testimonials that you have, the more video testimonials that you have, the more credible you're going to be. It's going to really add a lot of power to your credibility, and that's worth a ton. So now, if you want, you can always go to the Janitorial store in My House Cleaning Biz and go to the download library and put testimonial in the search box, and you'll see some documents that will come up. In fact, we have some marketing materials that you can use to put your testimonials on, such as flyers and things like that. But you know, that'll make it nice for you when you're out there drumming up more business. But the other thing is too is that sometimes people may feel like they don't have enough time to write a testimonial. So what you can do is you can actually create a template to where all they do is they just fill in the blank on your template for your testimonial. Makes it simple and easy for them. It only takes them a couple of minutes to do that, and there you go. By doing that, you made it simple for them to give you a testimonial. Everybody's winning. So consider that when you're getting testimonials. Like I say, you always have video testimonials, and get as many as you can because you can use them all the time. So hopefully you found some value to this video, and if you did, go ahead and comment and share. And if you have not already, make sure that you subscribe and turn on those bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos for building a successful cleaning business. So thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you next time.